Today we're making something super simple and super yummy, vegan walnut and chocolate chip bites. The next step is we want to remove the pits from the dates. This is really important before you put that into the food processor. In the food processor, we're going to blend the dates and the walnuts until they form a nice sticky dough. Next we'll add in some oats, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of vanilla extract, and we'll pulse until they're well combined. Add the blended date and walnut mixture to a bowl. Now fold in the chocolate chips gently. This is also the perfect time to get creative. Feel free to mix in some extra ingredients if you like. Some coconut flakes, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even a handful of dried fruit can add an exciting twist to your bites. Now we just want to gently mix together until it's a cohesive dough. And next we want to form the balls. Now you can just scoop out a small portion of the dough with your hands or a spoon, and you want to roll them into neat balls. So this part isn't just fun, but it lets you decide the size of each of the bites. So as you roll them, you'll place each ball on a parchment paper lined baking sheet or a plate. This helps prevent sticking and makes it easier to move them into the fridge to chill. Depending on the size of each of the balls, this recipe makes about 12 size bites, and you can also double the recipe if you would like to make more. And here's the best part, there's no need to bake. Just pop these in the fridge for a bit to set and they're ready to eat. It takes about 30 minutes for them to set. Not only do these bites taste amazing, but they're also really good for you. Dates give you some natural sweetness and fiber, walnuts are great for your brain and heart, and oats add even more fiber. And that's all there is to it. Quick, yummy, vegan walnut and chocolate chip bites. Give them a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. And you can find the full recipe in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!